All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We'll ask you some questions and you have to reply. Yes.
Did you share anything with others recently?
Yes, I share.
I shared.
I shared my book with my friend who was looking for, but he ain't gonna find the book in the market because it was a short. So I shared my book with my closest friend. To answer your question, yes.
You said he ain't gonna find. So it's not appropriate, right? Instead of that, you can say he was unable to find it, because ain't is a contraction, informal contraction,
Thank you.
and it is specific to American English. Try to avoid such type of contractions, right? And by the way, ain't gonna find is near future. So you were answering in past tense, because the question is, did you share anything with anyone lately and all that, okay? Now, let's go on.
Did your parents teach you to share your things as a child?
Pardon?
Did your parents teach you to share your things as a child?
Yes, I seek these things from my parents.
Good.
Because there are norms that they taught me that the sharing is a good thing, and in future it will be beneficial for you. So yes, my parents, obviously, and for definitely, I learned these things from my parents.
Okay, what type of things are not suitable for sharing with others?
It depends upon, just like if you are in a paper or you have got a pencil or one or two, so it's not a good time to share your belongings to any other student.
With any other
With
student?
any other student. So it depends upon the time or the event in which you are just, as an example, I just quoted is the paper.
Okay, what would you not like to share with others?
My very personal belongings, just like my watch, my mobile, and my wallet. These are very dear to me. Even handkerchief. I feel incomplete without handkerchief, so I cannot share these things with anyone.
All right. Overall, your answers are good. You're speaking in a very good tone, which is also good. Just try to add a couple of sentences and connect your ideas together. Sometimes you can connect with signpost language. Sometimes you can use the word moreover, additionally, furthermore. So these connected answers will bring you better band score. And try to focus compound sentences. Right? Thank you.